Hi, this is Jeff from Rancho Kitty here in East Texas. I haven't posted a building an animal rescue in a while because there hasn't been anything really to post. But that's all changed today. And if you've been watching previous episodes, you have a idea where I'm going with. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the very, very new development. If you remember a few episodes back, I was talking about getting this place electrified, and that's exactly what happened. Ta-da! Again. This wasn't here this morning. This is very late June 2023. And this goes all the way to that pole over there. Remember all this clearing out from last episodes, and I kept saying, oh, they're gonna put a pole here and it's gonna be great, and then we get electricity. And then look, from there, remember, festooned over to there. That's different. Those are different. To there. I just don't know what to do now. You know, I got this electrified, and I think as of today, I have the privilege of paying $30 a month just to get 200 amps. Even if I don't flip one switch, it's $30 service charge, or, you know, the fixed rate. But anyway, seriously, I don't know what to do now. Got this box. I guess I got to run it to the trailer somehow. Is there a trailer over there? I might bring the trailer closer to here and run a wire here. But if I want to move in here, I need air conditioning in that trailer for sure. But anyway, it's a big step, you know. Long time coming. I think over a year I've been trying to get this thing. Oh, here we are at the ranch. This is going to be the first rant of my continuing rant series. I'm Jeff at Rancho Kitty, and I rescue animals. And not only animals, but last chance animals, which means if they don't come here, you're either going to go to the pound, kill shelter, or get dumped. People call me all the time. I get a couple calls a week and want me to come get their animals because they don't want them anymore, and they're classified as unwanted babies. Anyway, hey, knock it off. Oh, you're a bad baby. Anyway, I lost my train of thought. Where are you going? They've already had breakfast. I don't know what they're doing. But anyway, I can't really go forward and get more animals unless I get some help. I need a helping hand. I've been supporting this with my own savings, and I'm not a rich guy, and my savings is just, hey, come on, Snowbell, 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 be nice. My savings is almost depleted. That's normal with these guys. Hey, Snowbell, don't be so mean. Snowbell, Snowbell, you're a bad baby. I need help. The ranch needs help. I need a helping hand. And nobody seems to want to help the animals, the unwanted animals. Nobody. I mean, nobody. I could tell you stories after stories. Nobody wants to lift a finger to help the unwanted animals. And you know why? Because they don't care. They don't care. What are you guys doing? They don't care about the animals. Hey, Chester Cheetah. Chester Cheetah. They don't care. As long as they're gainfully employed, they have food on their table. Why should they care about animals that they don't even know? They don't even know these animals. They don't care. Why should they care? Ooh, Jesus, baby. You know what I mean? So anyway, I talked long enough. I'm gonna rant every day, and I need help. $10 a year, $10 twice a year. Oh, there's Mama. $10 twice a year from anybody, and I could rescue them all, and I will. Hey, lady. Lady came from a cat hoarder. Oh, see how mean she is? Lady, you're mean. Yes, and you're sweet. It's a dirty-faced cat. All black cats all the time.